Looking for the latest gadgets to enhance your lifestyle? From a touchless vacuum for effortless cleaning to a heated mattress pad for cozy nights, and even a self-heating coffee mug to keep your drink warm all day. Stay tuned as we explore the coolest Amazon finds you didn't know you needed. Say goodbye to bending and messy dustpans. The iVac touchless vacuum is always on and ready. Just sweep, and its infrared sensors automatically suck up dust, hair, and debris. Effortless cleaning in seconds. With high-efficiency filters, it traps dirt and returns clean air, making it perfect for salons, pet groomers, and homes. No bending, no hassle, just clean floors with iVac. Elevate your home with the wood chain link, a versatile, handcrafted statement piece made from solid pine. Its whitewash finish and natural grain add warmth to shelves, trays, or books, blending seamlessly into any room. Perfect as a gift or to cozy up your space. This artisanal decor sparks joy and conversation year-round. Price just $29. This IS the Relife Vibration Plate, your all-in-one fitness solution. It triggers full-body muscle contractions, burning calories and building muscle fast. With adjustable speeds from 1 to 120 and sessions up to 20 minutes, it's perfect for any workout. Enjoy a soothing magnetic massage that relieves pain and boosts blood circulation. Compact, durable, and super quiet, with non-slip suction cups for stability. Whether for yourself or as a gift, it's the ultimate choice for health and fitness. Price just $89. The mini chip bag sealer is your go-to gadget for freshness. It seals and cuts with no preheating needed. Just press, slide, and seal. Compact, portable, and magnetic. Hang it on your fridge or toss it in your bag. Keep snacks fresh, reduce waste, and enjoy convenience anytime. Price just $11. This is the heated mattress pad with dual heating zones and independent controllers for personalized comfort. Choose from 10 heat settings between 90 to 108 degrees Fahrenheit with an auto timer up to 12 hours. Made from premium velvet and breathable cotton. It's ultra soft and hides wires seamlessly. Safety features include ETL certification, overheat, and leakage protection. Plus, it's machine washable for easy care. Stay cozy and warm every night with the heated mattress pad. We all have busy lives, and a great cup of coffee can be the key to starting your day. Except when it turns cold. Introducing the next mug, a temperature-controlled self-heating mug. Simply select your preferred temperature, and our smart mug technology keeps your hot beverage at the perfect temperature for hours. Super simple to use, no app required, and no more trips to the microwave for reheating. The next mug, always the perfect temperature. Price just $99. This is a ceramic cookware set with its natural ceramic non-stick coating. You can cook with less oil for a low-fat diet. The die-cast aluminum construction ensures quick and even heat distribution, while the stainless steel pan bottoms make it compatible with all stovetops. Plus, it's scratch-resistant and super easy to clean. Just wipe or rinse. Elevate your kitchen with this must-have set for healthier meals and effortless cooking. Only $79. This is the Hoduio Elliptical exercise machine. Offers a customizable workout experience with 15 manual intensity levels and 3 preset auto modes, allowing you to adjust your workout to meet your fitness goals. Designed for low-impact, smooth movement, it promotes circulation, strengthens muscles, and enhances joint flexibility with minimal strain. Perfect for office workers, seniors, or those recovering from leg injuries. Its whisper-quiet operation ensures a peaceful workout, and the remote control and LCD display make tracking your progress easy, without bending over. Portable, lightweight, and seniors-friendly. It's a convenient way to stay active anywhere, anytime. Only $98.